Choosing the right digital oscilloscope can be challenging. Low sampling rates, unclear displays, bulky designs, and limited functions often slow down diagnostics and repairs. A good oscilloscope should be accurate, portable, and easy to use while delivering reliable waveform analysis. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best digital oscilloscopes, perfect for electronics repair, automotive testing, labs, and hobbyists. We research specs, real user feedback, and performance to create this list. You'll find all product links in the description for updated prices. If you enjoy practical tech reviews like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Number 5. Gaqqee SCO2 Dual-Channel Digital Auto Oscilloscope. The SCO2 Dual-Channel Digital Oscilloscope is a budget-friendly option for beginners and repair technicians. It offers PWM measurement, dual-channel support, and an analog bandwidth suitable for basic electronic diagnostics. With a compact handheld design, it's easy to carry and ideal for quick troubleshooting tasks. The auto function simplifies waveform capture, while its clear display helps identify signal issues faster. This oscilloscope is best for light electronic repair, DIY projects, and learning signal analysis without spending too much. A practical entry-level tool for everyday use.
Number 4. BSIDE Handheld Digital Oscilloscope OT3. The BSIDE OT3 is a portable digital oscilloscope featuring a 3.2-inch TFT LCD display and multiple trigger modes including auto, normal, and single. Designed for automotive and electronics testing, it delivers reliable performance in a compact body. The handheld design makes it perfect for fieldwork, while its intuitive interface helps users quickly analyze waveforms. Ideal for technicians who need mobility and simplicity, this oscilloscope balances portability and functionality for routine diagnostics and on-the-go repairs. Number 3. TOOLTOP ET120M Professional Digital Oscilloscope. The TOOLTOP ET120M is a high-performance handheld oscilloscope built for professionals. With fast sampling speed and wide bandwidth, it delivers accurate and stable waveform measurements. Its portable design makes it suitable for laboratory work, automotive diagnostics, and electrical repairs. The clear display, solid build quality, and responsive controls ensure precise testing in demanding environments. If you need a powerful yet portable oscilloscope for serious troubleshooting, this model offers excellent reliability and performance. Number 2. FNIRSI 2C53T Upgraded Handheld Oscilloscope. The FNIRSI 2C53T is a versatile 3-in-1 device combining a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and DDS signal generator. It features a wide bandwidth, high sampling rate, and a bright display for accurate waveform analysis. Designed for engineers, students, and technicians, it saves space and cost by replacing multiple tools. The handheld form factor makes it ideal for both lab and field use. This oscilloscope is perfect for users who want multifunction capability without sacrificing performance.
Number 1. ZOYI ZT703S/702S Digital Oscilloscope Multimeter. The ZOYI ZT703S is the most advanced option on this list, combining an oscilloscope, multimeter, and transistor tester in one compact device. It offers fast sampling, waveform storage, and sharp signal display for precise diagnostics. Ideal for electronics repair, circuit testing, and professional troubleshooting, it delivers excellent accuracy and convenience. With its all-in-one design and powerful features, this oscilloscope is the best choice for users who want maximum functionality in a portable tool. If you need accurate signal testing, portability, and versatile functionality, these digital oscilloscopes offer excellent value.
From beginner-friendly tools to professional all-in-one devices, there's an option for every skill level, ideal for electronics repair, automotive diagnostics, and lab work. Which oscilloscope fits your needs best? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.